Start the Galway off the right way.
That's it.
You ain't kidding, she is a little sprinter. You kind of need to tell her to sit still at the moment. Cloud, relax. It's only the first inning. So what you kind of look for when you want to start the batting order, you want your quick runners to get on the bases.
Yes.
So around the third, fourth batter, you're looking for the big hitter to come along and get the little runners flying around.
That's it.
And as we can see, the second base, she's not slow.
No, she's fast. There's a lot of big hitters in this team anyway, so unlucky.
Yeah, you'll have to go now. There's a route now.
Out on third.
She was unlucky. I'd stick up for her run to Clouda. I'd stick up for her to run to the third.
Yeah, she probably thought she was going to make it.
Well, she saw the mistake.
Yes, exactly.
So she ran because the catch was missed. It was her chance to get the third base.
Yeah, that's
she
true.
She paused because the batter stayed when she was asking the batter to get out and start going.
Yeah, that's
that
true.
little pause is what cost you. And you're in the final, unfortunately, so you don't need these little things happening. Jitters. But I wouldn't give out about her doing the run there. Again, we try to teach them and all. Like, we have people on first and second, and if the shortstop misses it, like I'd be a shortstop myself, but if I was to miss the ball, I'd be expecting the runners on the base to be screaming at everybody else. Run,
yes.
I can take the base.
Yes, exactly.
Batter, get out.
Yeah.
And again, it's experience.
It is experience, yeah, that's it.
And
you can tell
both of them are new
these girls have
teams.
been playing for years. And
good. Two good, one bad. Last good ball. Full. Batter out. Kid.
okay, now this girl can hit, so this is likely to go far.
Yeah, well again, she's the fourth batter.
No,
she's the fifth.
Yeah.
So again, it's listen. You look at the fourth batter as the big hitter, but also you can have the fifth as the second hitter.
Yes,
so,
exactly.
Yeah, again, it's kind of setting it up. You want bases loaded. You want to get them first three runners in with the big hitters, because if you start every inning like that and you pull it in 3 innings,
exactly.
After 7 innings, it's 21.
That's it.
You know, that's the logic of it. Doesn't happen that way all the time.
No, it doesn't.
You
but you got to try in an ideal world.
Inside, not overall in the mat. Too bad, two left.
That's a lovely hit.
It is, yeah. Okay, everybody got safe on base. Yep. Oh, and Hazel's home. The first run in.
It's a great hit, yeah. If she has that in her locker that she can hit over first and second, and you have people on bases.
That's it, yeah. That's what you want.
You're hitting it well away from home.
That was nice. I hit the gap as well. Oh.
Ooh.
Safe on second. Great having umpires, isn't it? It makes it all easier.
Yeah.
Katrina.
Yeah, Elphin's in a bit of a rock and a hard place there, right? Did you see the way that ball lands in the middle?
Yes. Yeah.
And if you're looking at it, the batting team actually has a small wind coming at them. So, as an outfielder, you probably should be a little bit braver and step in.
Yes.
Chances are hit going over. You might get 1 or 2 going over your head, but you probably have a better chance of catching if you come in.
Oh, 2 of them went first.
Good play though.
Out on third. That's okay, and a run scored. That's 2.
So yeah.
Yeah, so 2 scored. So
yeah,
one in it.
Elphin conceded their 1 run, but they'd be still buzzing over that, like they were battling with people on bases.
Exactly. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
And they did have their backs against the wall a little bit, but they've only conceded that 1 run, so listen, both teams should be positive after the first inning.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it's very close. And the first inning is all about settling and getting rid of the nerves, isn't it?
Yeah. Again, you'd probably say you'd give Galway a little bit more confidence because they went through the batting order.
Yes.
And they had runners on the bases. Like, getting them runners on the bases also said, listen, we might have only conceded one run, but at the same time we were filling out the mats.
Yeah, exactly.
You know?
Exactly. That's it.
Elphin, Elphin only got one person runner down the mats in the first inning.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
You want to try to get everybody involved in the first inning. So yeah, look, I'd be critical. I fair play to the girl on third base. Clodagh, yeah. Or Katrina, is it?
No, Clodagh was the first runner that was out on third. No, at the beginning.
Yes. The Galway Rapparees third base, yeah.
Yeah.
Credit to her, she's very brave sitting in there. But
Katrina, Cat, yeah.
Yeah. Very like, credit to her, she is brave in there. But if I was Elphin, I would be targeting that position, because she can catch a whirly, but at the same time she's exposing herself because it's the reactions in there, you know.
That's it, yeah.
And considering the shortstop is actually quite far out for her.
Yeah, the shortstop is out behind her.
Yeah. There's a nice pocket there behind her. See if they just go after her.
And this is another experienced batter here. We have Greta Davis, who moved to Elphin this year.
Again, I don't know if you can see that on the camera. She is looking for a little crisp tap down. You can see this little snap on the wrist when she's swinging it.
Yeah.
She's looking to just get that on the ground and leg it.
Okay.
Well, there you go, Shirley. As you said, that's a bit of experience in her.
That's it, exactly.
Took the walk on. She didn't swing for the last one.
Yeah.
So I don't know if you can pick that up on the camera. I'm looking at the batter with the left foot swinging out.
Yes.
Very deep. If you were picking that up as a batter, she'd probably expose herself to foul balls here going down toward. You kind of want to get that front foot out level into the field, but I could just see that left leg is kind of tight there. Could be wrong now. But it's just it.
Yeah, I know.
Myself, if I was playing the shortstop, I'd be looking at people's feet positioning and what they're doing with their hands.
Okay, so batter out. That's one out already.
Okay, we've a batter on second, batter up, but we've a free base on first.
Yeah.
Again, if we're thinking ahead, you want to still hit the ground running. You'd be still looking for a tap. You want to get that first base on, and you want the second baser to kind of help get her onto first. Anything else is a bonus after that. But again, it's early in the game. You want to get a platform. You want to get a few runs. You want to do the right thing. That's a cracking hit. That's something that I just picked up on when I said with Katrina being short. You can see how hard that ball was hit down toward.
Yes.
She either catches it or there's a gap right behind her, you know. So that's a great hit. You can see the Galway Rapparees outfielders actually came in. They're a bit braver than Elphin was in the first. See that?
Yeah.
So you pick up on these things as the game's going. If you have that small bit of wind coming at the batters, the ball won't travel the way you think it will. You know.
That's true.
So if the wind's behind them, though, she will go. But you got to play to the field strengths. Yeah.
And on third.
Was there a bit of sleeping going on there?
Yeah, she didn't run very fast, did she?
Yeah, I think it's when you have one on first and second, and you're looking at no hit, no run kind of thing.
That might have been what it
and
was.
that's what happened. And again, probably inexperience where the person on second wasn't sure, am I running or not now? There was a mistake at the backstop. It's just getting clued on, looking at mistakes. A lot of good runs and a lot of mistakes happen in this game, and that's what you have to expose all the time.
That's it, exactly.
She was unlucky, but she probably should have started moving a lot quicker.
That was good. One good, two bad. Two come.
So we can see now on the camera there, Shirley. See the third base is in?
Yes.
So see the left outfields that they're going in to cover that area? It's tight down that run.
Michelle.
That's probably why she's in there, it's so tight.
Three bases loaded now. And 2 out.
That's why you don't want the ref mic'd up.
I was just going to say, it's great having the ref mic'd up. We can hear what he's thinking.
Oh, good catch.
Oh, well done, Circa. That was a great catch. That's 3 out.
Yeah, unlucky with Elphin there. They're not gonna be happy with that, having bases loaded and they didn't collect the run.
No.
But again, it's only second inning.
Yes.
Like, I don't think it's 7 inning game. There's a lot that goes on in 7 innings.
No, it's only 5. This one's only 5. Senior 7.
Oh, apologies.
We'll bring that in for next year, but at the minute it's just 5.
Okay. Well, Elphin probably wishes there was 7 at the moment. No, they don't. Listen, they're only 1 run down still.
Oh yeah.
If they set that field up again, but look at where they were from the first inning. They only managed to get one person on the base, and their second inning
they got the bases
they were
loaded.
bases loaded and they were getting out on tour. So
that's it.
they're getting confident. They're coming into the game.
That's
so this is the stalemate. This is inning 2. You want to hit the ground run. You want to get a message put out here. So if Elphin can manage to put a stop Galway getting runs in here,
exactly.
This is the point that we said. This is where the game swings. So if Elphin can cut Galway short, they'd be buzzing now.
Somebody catch that?
There you go.
Oh, all right.
Yeah, good start from Elphin now.
Very good start, yeah.
Yeah. This is where you kick yourself and going, Jays, I was only going to first.
Yeah, exactly.
Why did I hit the ball up in the air that far away? But
That's
listen, it happens in the final.
It does. It's definitely on first.
Claudia's the first batter, isn't she?
She is,
first up,
yeah.
So they're through the order now.
They are, yeah.
Again, the Elephant Tour baser, she's in quite tight as well.
Yes.
But you can also see the layout here. You can see the tour base is in tight, but you can see left outfield is more in between second and third.
Yeah.
And you can see this gap is in behind the third baser. Again, Claudia has confidence in her speed there with that bunt. She backed herself all the way. But again, it's highlighting the difference that Galway set up the third baser with the left outfielder. The left outfielder is covering the third baser from coming in short, but Elphin's left outfielder is not covering their third baser coming in short.
Yeah, you're right, yeah.
She has stepped out a bit more, and I like that.
Oh, unlucky.
She was playing to this strength. She said, right, there's a first baser. She's only going to first, so she came in tight, crouched the area.
Yes.
Put pressure on the batter, and you can also see, listen, I have 2 people on first and second now. I'm going to step out a little bit more because my value of being in there isn't worth anything to the team. Reading the game.
Yeah, so does anyone get under this?
I think Claudia just likes doing 2 bases all the time,
I think you could be right, yeah.
Yeah, she can't help herself.
Oh, look, Bella's going to be out from home anyway.
Listen, this is the little bit of inexperience in the game that you have.
Possibly, yeah.
When you're running around the bases and like if you're used to your teammates and as you're doing it like first and second, you could be running around the bends, but you can be talking to the runner ahead of you. What are you doing, Ed? I'm going to third. Okay, right, stay, sit. Everybody's on the line telling you.
And they have base coaches, so you should be listening to them.
What you're seeing was just a bit of miscommunication.
I think so, yeah.
Claudia has legs to burn, but she probably needs to be told to hit the brakes a little bit.
Maybe. I think you're right, yeah.
Yeah. So look, there we go.
So same score.
This was Galway Rapparees made a big mistake going from third to home.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Elphin's after getting their 3 outs.
Yeah.
So this is the part you see with the game swinging. So fair play, Elphin. He's back in it. Galway will be kicking themselves about the rules, going, why did we do that?
Yeah.
You know, but
absolutely.
Again, this is what happens in finals.
Yeah, but it's still very early days as well.
Jitters, yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
As Chris says, lime killing only tend to wake up in the 4th inning.
Well, there's only 5, that's not a good thing.
Yeah, I know, yeah. We have to hear that all the time from
We have Avril up to bat now, have we? Yeah.
Yeah, I can start seeing Elphin be buzzing after doing that to Galway.
I would think so, yeah.
Yeah, so they'll be all sitting in there going, right, come on, let's start getting the runs in. Let's do the smart thing. Let's do the right thing.
We saw it earlier in the first match. I think Cairns did the same thing when they kind of got behind and then they had 4 up, 3 out.
This is when the first batter is very important for Elphin.
That's it.
Because they know they have a game plan. They're set now going, listen, we're back in this. Let's do the right thing now with the bat.
Exactly.
Let's just try to do the right thing with the bat.
Base by base, exactly. Oh, unlucky. Oh,
there you
and
go.
an overthrow. Yeah.
These are these little things that are starting to happen for Elphin.
Yep.
It's what you need. You need a bit of luck as well.
You do, of course you do, yeah.
I'm sure now you'd have Jay Clerk and as an umpire out there that he'd tell you, oh, he doesn't need luck now either, don't you?
No, it's totally skill.
Yeah.
3 very talented umpires out there today.
Absolutely. They have the most men's All-Ireland titles around. So
exactly.
if there's anybody that knows the games and that can peacock themselves, it's certainly Jay Clerk out there that can tell you that for one thing.
Oh, that was so unlucky. It's twice that's happened to her. Yeah.
That's a great recovery with the backstop.
It was fantastic, yeah.
Again, it's listen, she tried to catch, she dropped, but she was also clued into saying, I still have to go to first.
Exactly.
Again, it's what we teach people, is just try to have 2 ideas in your head before you even get the ball, or maybe 3. Because any scenario that happens, say, listen, backstop, knew she dropped it, knew she had time to still go for the first baser, so credit to her.
Yeah.
Good ball, outside edge.
I like that position altogether, but right, so if we're picking this up on the camera, as you can see, the batter's the right foot. She stepped in at the back. She's looking to aim over first and second.
Yes.
So they change their angles with their feet. It makes people feel comfortable they're going to aim over second that way. But you can do many things to make the ball change direction. One that I would tend to do is wait for the ball, let it go later. So your instinct, you want to hit the ball. So the more you tell yourself, don't hit it, the further the ball travels out over first and second.
True. Yes.
But people take comfort by going out with their feet like that. But listen, the girl got a foul. I'd be looking at, you tend to get more fouls and you want to mess around with your feet like that.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
if you think your left leg's going to go out, just send it over toward you, you're probably going to hit it into foul. Same with the right foot. If you pull the right foot back, you backspin the back because you're reaching for the hit, and so it ends up popping up in the air.
Okay.
So you end up slicing it when you think you want to go over first and second.
Commentary and masterclass all at the same time. Oh, I caught him there. That was great. That's 3 out if we can get that into home. That was really good.
Right. Great fight back by Galway there.
Yes, excellent. We're still at 2-1, bottom of the third. Pretty low scoring game, isn't it?
Quite tight game.
Very tight. Oh, well, we hoped that it would be.
Yes, you did. And considering I was looking at the league formats, and you would have thought Galway would have overpowered Elphin with their batting prowess.
Yeah, I actually refereed Elphin's last league game. They played St Clair's, and they were smart. They had really good ideas about what to do with the ball when they got it.
Yeah.
So I was hoping they'd come into this with the same idea.
Yeah. And again, I was assuming Galway might have overpowered them because of the amount of players that they have with all the training that they're doing. But obviously, Elphin's well aware of what Galway Rapparees were, and you can see they're putting the groundwork in the background.
Exactly. Yeah, you're right. You're right.
Not many times you get a chance to be in a final of an All-Ireland, so
that's it.
they put the work in.
Yeah. Well, Elphin were in the junior final last year and lost to Inishkeen Grattans.
2 teams on the up.
That's it.
Cracking hit.
Definitely got her to first.
That's what you want. You do that all game, you win it.
That's it. Easy. Well.
You can kind of see that she has the softball background when she's standing in the mat there with the feet tickling around. That's it. But but listen, you can see the way she's lining up for a hit there. It doesn't look like there's a lot of sense in the hit. It looks like it's only one idea. I'm just going to hit this ball out of the park.
Yes, well, I suppose
you can see she's
winding. If you can get away with that, though, why wouldn't you?
But again, it's a good signal, and you can. This is the time if you could see the Elphin outfield, they've stepped out. Like they're aware that this is only going to be a hit and a hit only.
Exactly. Yes.
So you like that. At least they're looking at the position and what's going to go on. If the girl had a lot more in the locker, but which she probably does. The fact that she's pushed them out so far, she should change her idea now and hit a ground ball and give it to them.
Absolutely.
You know,
that would be the thing to do. Yeah.
I hope I'm wrong here now.
Oh dear.
Yeah. So again, unlucky with the hit, but don't mean to be critical, but she only had one idea, and that was to bang that ball out of the park instead of getting herself on a base.
Yeah.
And she want to be quick now and cop on.
Absolutely, she's going to make first out.
Sorry for
that's 2 out.
Well, there you go.
And 3 out, yeah. That's,
Again, sorry for saying cop on live telly, but this is the language that comes out of players when you're in the middle of a game.
Yeah.
Listen again, we're at the looking at Galway making a massive mistake there again. From the one wanting to run home to home base in the last inning, and they got fumbled up there, and then we're at the looking at the batter cursing herself with a bad hit and then not doing what she was supposed to do and run to first. She ended up causing the 2 outs. I'm just saying again, Shay, that's 2 big mistakes Galway's that they're doing.
Yeah, Yeah, she wasn't quick enough leaving the box. And
when she was too busy kicking herself instead of just doing her job.
Yes.
You know?
Yeah.
The girl run the second was trying to do the right thing, but the one that was the one that got the force is like she just.
And she's actually very fast. She would have made it if she had left on time.
That's it. Well, it's at the same time this way you give out to her going, would you stop thinking about yourself? You have to think about your team.
That's it.
Do your job.
That's it. So we see what Elphin do now this time.
I wouldn't be very happy if I was the Galway Rapparees manager at the moment. I can tell you that now. I'm not even playing, and I could give out stink to a few. But then again, this is the intermediate levels. Like all the teams, it's all experience, and this game, everybody gets better. This game, the more you play it.
Yes, absolutely true.
The way you grow from this game is actually making mistakes. That's how you learn the whole. That's how you learn everything. So
she'd rather not learn them in an All-Ireland final. Though.
Yeah, you don't want to know that. Yeah. Well, I can tell you one thing: the girl that made the mistake from the first, she won't do that ever again.
She will not. No.
So, lesson learned. Great play.
Okay, out on first. Yeah.
They needed that.
Yes, they did. Yeah, the confidence.
After that mistake.
Yes, exactly.
Tour base getting a plug for me this in for the game. she seems to be very settled in there. Look again, she's tour base. She's coming in tight. She's showing confidence.
Yes,
she's doing it all game. Yeah. So even when there's a couple of mistakes going around, that girl's she's showing the positive aspect of the game.
She's really good at is when there's a pop up that comes in her direction. She's very good at catching. So maybe that's what she's kind of hoping for. Or she's too far out for that one now.
Okay, foul. I play in the shortstop position. If I had the opportunity to go catch that ball, I'm taking that ball.
Yeah.
You know, because they're giving the batter another chance.
Yes, absolutely, because you might have got it. Yeah.
Considering there's nobody on the bases either, you know, you had a free catch of this.
That's it. Yeah.
Good work.
Safe on first. Rain, we were hoping we wouldn't get it starting to come down here.
It's a nice slippy pitch.
Yeah.
The rain's not too bad.
No,
but it's gonna put a little shine on that pitch now, alright.
Yeah, but the sky is bright, so hopefully it'll just a shower.
Hopefully they don't slip on the mats.
The senior game would be. There's a pop up now. See who gets that there. We see if we can get that one. Oh, there we go.
Oh, what a play! What a play!
Fantastic! Oh, well done, Kat.
Again, we're looking at, as I keep saying it, the third baser. She's shown she's brave. She's exposed behind, but she's not. She has the left outfielder covering her.
Yeah.
But because she's being brave and showing confidence, she's making Galway be confident.
That's it. I did tell
That's a great double play from her.
Yeah, that was fantastic. Yeah, it's just.
I'm pinpointing her, by the way, if they win this game now, who's going to get her woman of the match?
It's not down to me. That would be Daryl's pick, but
I like that. I like someone being brave. They're in a final. She's stepping in there, going, "Come at me."
Yes,
and it's working in her favour. Although I'd say,
and she's up to bat now, actually.
Yeah, and that, as I said, if we were in the position and she was there in front of me, I would be aiming for her.
Yes.
So she's saying, "Come at me," and she's doing it.
Exactly.
And she's winning that. She's winning that mental battle. Fair. I don't think anybody would have expected after 4 innings that intermediate final was going to be one score 1-2.
Definitely not.
Brilliant. That just shows you the standard that they're playing now.
Yeah.
It's not long. It's not many years. There was a junior league and an intermediate league.
That's it.
And just look at how quick the game's developing for these teams.
You could see it in junior this year. The teams have stepped it up. But it's like you said, it's watching better players, it's playing better players. Winter leagues and things like that make all the difference.
It's learning. It's making as much mistakes as you can to learn from the game.
Great catch.
So again, I'll plug that to her base. You said she was just forced to bat there.
Yeah, and she was caught out.
So, but listen, she probably has that mentality that look, I got caught out in the back. As long as I'm doing my job fielding,
that's it, exactly.
I'll keep plugging at that. I'll be looking for the positives in anyway. I'm doing everything right on the field. Let's hope it comes around. I wouldn't be kicking myself because I got out on forced. I got out as a forced batter either. That's a great stop.
Was a great stop, yeah.
Yeah. Right, so if I was looking at the shortstop now and how the girl hit, I'd probably tighten him close to the first base as the shortstop at the angle. Yeah. She's forced up the bat. She's the left-handed batter. Yeah. She's in a vulnerable position.
True.
But I'd be more confident now and go towards the foul line, because the first hit, she showed where she can hit it.
Exactly. Yes.
That was the part that was explained there.
Yes, exactly what she's made it.
Again, it's just reading your batter, reading what they're showing you when they're swinging, and tightening it up. What we can see in the game, we seeing the left-handed batter came up and the shortstop floated between second and third, came around to first and second.
Yeah.
So about positioning as well in this game. This girl hits a crispy one down toward her, I believe, isn't it?
Yeah, she made it to first, but then she was out.
Yeah. Because of her first bat in the other inning, it was a nice ground ball and it was fast.
Yes.
So if the shortstop picked up on it, yeah.
Oh, she didn't leave first fast
enough. Is this happening again? Oh, right.
No.
Yeah, shortstop done the job, but like I was saying, I would have picked up that she hits a good, firm, hard ball on the ground. And just because the pitch, although it's a bit wet, it's still fast.
Yes.
I would step back a little bit further as the shortstop to open me options about going for second base.
Yeah.
You'd kind of give up, say you're not going to get her out on first because she hits it good and crispy. I'll target the second base runner.
Yeah, that was smart because she saw where the ball went and what was happening, and then she ran. Yeah, that was clever.
But that's again, you look for the mistake sometimes.
Exactly.
You know,
and that's what it was. Yeah.
Yeah, you stand there, you watch, but yeah, the batter. It's if you start walking, you tend to kind of walk out of the box.
Yeah.
Now, if you can see the box where the batters are, you're allowed walk up to the edge of that area. As long as your foot stays in there, you can go back in as a bat. So if you hit kind of like that ball, like it's a bit risky, and you don't know what you're going to do with it, you would step kind of towards the edge of that box to say, if it is a mistake, I'm going. If it's not a mistake, I'm staying.
Yeah.
So you always be on your toes. I'm pretty sure they said it over the years, Shady. I lie, I steal, I cheat on bases.
Has to be done.
Yes, you do whatever it takes to get that base.
Absolutely. And that's the difference between junior and experienced players.
Yeah. Is it a foul when it leaves the box?
Well, it was a foul. She ran, but it was a foul, so she got called back.
Did it leave the box?
It did. It must have gone out the side, yeah.
Right, yeah.
I was looking at it live as opposed to on the monitor, so I don't know.
Looking there.
Anyway, go walk on.
Not going to cross Darryl in any way when it comes down to bowling.
I think Darryl knows what he's at, yeah.
Yeah, if people don't know who Darryl Doolan is, he's one of the best in the game. Definitely. He's one of the all-time greats. He's a proper all-rounder of a player, and he's that good and capable with his hits and all. He's ended up making himself onto the Ireland softball team as well, if I'm right.
So he is, yeah. He is, yeah.
He's a special player. When it comes down to bowling,
he'll be playing in the senior men's final next Sunday.
I don't know if I'll watch it because I'll be the one that says it should be me there.
Well, there is that, but next year.
Well, best of luck to them, and anyway. Yeah. It looks like it's going to be a good game.
Should be a great
game. Carrick's had to get in a bit of form coming through the season.
Isn't that what always happens? But that's Carrick. They get better as the season goes on.
Well, they tend to give out to each other a lot. So when they start giving out to each other, then they go back to the training field, and then they stop. They
just put it, to note that Eddie said that, not me.
Yeah. No, I'm pretty sure they won't say I'm wrong there, but they tend to beat themselves up that much that they make sure that they leave everything out on the field.
That's true too.
Come final day, so best of luck to the both of them.
It should be a great final.
Yeah.
Rematch of last year's.
Yeah, it was brilliant last year, wasn't it?
It was a fantastic final last year, yes.
Yeah.
And right to the wire, which is what you want.
I had every bit of emotion. It did come to the end.
Absolutely.
I think it was 2 out or 1 out, and they had one on first and
Justin
second.
just needed to get home anyway, I know.
But it was the 2 out. There was 2 out and the winning run was on second.
Yes, that's right. Yes, it was. Yes.
It epitomises round as it did.
Okay, so we're into the top of the 5th and it's still 2-1.
Didn't think we would have seen this now.
No, we've had no score since the first innings.
You said there was no 7 innings in an intermediate final, did you?
Well, only if it's a draw.
Well, I'm about to tell you the next rule. If it's a draw after 5 innings, it will be 7 innings.
Well, it's not a draw.
It's looking like this,
still
though.
a run in it.
Yeah, I didn't think I would have seen a 1-2 score now.
No, it's a bit unusual, all right. Look at if they can keep them scoreless here, they won't have to go in for the last bat anyway.
Yeah.
That'll be the hope, I'd say.
Okay, get ready to make some nice final innings, guys. Show some support to your teams. 2-1 to Galway.
This is where the nerves kick in.
Yes,
First
absolutely.
batter saying, I just have to make sure I'm the draw and run, and then we see if we can do anything after that.
Exactly.
9 times out of 10, this is where the mistake happens.
That's it. Yeah.
But
that's it.
listen, they've been playing great. They deserve to get this run, and I'm pretty sure everybody will be happy to see another couple of innings if it happens.
Absolutely, of course, yeah.
Relief, bad ball.
Yes.
I've 3 good to come in. Hopefully I get this walk.
Exactly.
Because the bowler's even thinking the same.
Good, 1 of each. 2 left.
Great stop.
Very good.
Again, she's confident.
Nice,
She's confident.
Oh, she is.
And credit to her. It's exactly what you want. Go to the last few bats. Don't worry, tour base. I got this.
Absolutely.
I got this team.
Should be good.
You all sit back, relax. I'll take over the show. Don't be looking at the throw.
Yeah.
Again, inexperience. Why is the runner looking at the person with the ball?
Absolutely. Yeah, just go and.
I tend to. I look at the baseminder's eyes. It shows you when their eyes are getting whiter. You know you're getting out. So you know you're sliding or you're not. The whiter the eyes go, the more pressure you're under.
No matter what's going on, you just love a good slide, don't you?
I go forward. I don't use my feet. I have to slide because I can't make the base
Well, that's
anymore.
a good hit. Now let's see, does someone get under it? Oh, she didn't even call for it.
Good effort.
Lads.
No, don't
go
you dare go to
stay
second
where
at the
you are.
moment.
You're safe.
Yeah. I made that mistake against Ballin to try to get into the semis.
All right.
Thought I could get one past Billy from Ballin.
Yeah.
Because the ball went past him. I said, right, I'm going to try Nick Tourd. And then when I turned around, I realised what was I playing a game with Billy for. So he got me out on Tourd, unfortunately. Thanks,
That'll
Billy.
happen. Sure, you've returned the favour many times.
He didn't lick it off his stone, did he?
That's true. Ooh, I passed her. But the shortstop was right behind her, which was great.
Yeah, I just want to see if we can get that layout of where the shortstop is positioned behind the Tourd. Is she tight behind Tourd now? We can't see that.
Not from this angle, no.
But you can see the step back. See the way the shortstop's out now?
Yes.
She's in the good position to target second if she picks up the ball.
True, yes.
Right, Elphin, good position.
Yes.
1 out, 1 on first, 1 on second. The draw and run on second with two still to come, 2 outs.
Yeah, 2 outs still to come, yeah.
What do? Do you just make sure you hit to get the draw? Or do you just keep trying to be being sensible here?
Yeah. You kind of have to be sensible because the draw's not really going to cut it when the Raps still have another bat. They could well come in and all they need is one man.
They've held Rapparees.
Well, they have, yes.
0 for 4 innings.
Well, that's true, but then vice versa as well.
It's here. If it was a draw run coming into the other side, the Rapparees would be on the same boat going, all we need is one run.
Yes, exactly. So do be sensible.
Is throws important? Okay. I like that.
Okay.
This is a scenario where it's no hit, no run.
Yes.
And she showed a bit of experience there. She knows she's the draw and run. Could have exposed 2 outs there if she tried to run for third.
Yeah.
This is her biggest chance at batting that she's ever gone through, I'd say now.
Yes, I would think so. Well stopped.
This hit could have a bit of everything into it. She hits it nice and hard.
That's it, yeah.
I would be thinking of the second base, I'm doing 2 bases here. Go, go! Oh.
Yes, they were.
At the batter to get the hell out of there.
Yes.
And go, you know.
Absolutely.
You're at the looking at these scenarios that you kind of have to watch mistakes happening.
Yeah, because you don't know what's
It wasn't a mistake. The shortstop didn't pick up the ball, but that was the chance of them going base to base.
Last ball of all.
Oh, go, go, go. Yeah, no, yeah. There you go, where's third? Yeah, there you go, there's the mistake.
Yeah.
Are you going, Elphin?
Yeah, run score.
Someone.
So Robert got home.
Well done, Elphin.
So
They didn't just get the draw and run, they have the 1 run.
That's it. So now Rapparees have to get.
So, again, I'll keep tooting on it. Rapparees are in a different position now. They just want to say, look, we'll just get that draw and run and we'll take it into the next 2 innings.
Yes.
They want to back themselves again. I'd be looking at that if I was a coach. I wouldn't be worried about trying to go for the win here. I'd be trying to say, look, get this bloody 1 run over the line, and then we worry about the rest after.
Absolutely. And it's been so quick. We're not even an hour in and
That's brilliant.
The game nearly over.
3-2 in an intermediate game.
I know. It's fantastic.
Bottom of 5. 3-2 to Elphin.
You looking forward to the season later on as well?
Absolutely. Can't wait. You?
Absolutely.
A bit of a vested interest there.
Yeah. Well, I know the our girls have been putting in the effort. I'm sure Breivy has as well.
Absolutely, yes.
There's been a lot of giving out to them over the past few weeks.
By you?
But best of luck to the both teams.
Absolutely. Oh, it should be a great game.
Oh,
that's a nice hit.
Oh,
unfortunate.
Don't be running the second.
No, definitely not.
We're in the same position. You're the draw and run at the moment.
That's it.
Great hit. Listen, you were the first batter, and you hit the ball high, and you're lucky to be on that base now.
Exactly. But, take it.
Look, you take a bit of luck. So this is the batter again. That's the softball background by the looks of it. So
their pitcher, She bats right-handed and pitches left-handed.
Yeah.
Now that's probably what she was looking for the last day. And
I would have absolutely said she's the right batter you want in that position when you want the one run.
Yes, absolutely.
Nice position to be in. Now and out, one on first and second, winning runs on first base. So depending on what the batting lineup is, you can just go hit that ball as hard as you can and just get these runners around.
Excellent.
Looks like Elphin don't really stand a chance here now. Anything happens in this game. But we're looking at bases loaded. We know Galway, Rapparees all season, they are heavy hitters.
Somebody down. Is it the pitcher? She got hit with that ball, did she?
Yeah, at the first stage, she went to block. On the collarbone, was it? Or the ear?
I don't know. Well, it can't be the ear if it was the pitcher. And it is the pitcher, yeah, it's on you. She should have had her helmet. So unless the helmet bashed off her.
So yeah, Elphin backs against the wall here. Now and out. Bases loaded. Galway's one job only. Just hit that ball out of the park as much as you can.
Yeah, well, it's your
only have to get second
third
around.
base shortstop here at the bat now. So.
Yeah, but here again, listen, we've seen Galway make mistakes on the bases.
Well, there is that, yeah.
They have that in their background in this game, so they can go from no outs to 3 outs pretty quick if they make that mistake again. Well, I like this now. This is the third base coming up to hit.
It is.
The one I've been plugging.
Your player of the match.
Yeah, my eyes and anyway, the one that set the tone. She hasn't been great with the bat now, but she's been excellent downfield. So
yes, she hasn't got home yet, so I'm sure she'd love to rectify that.
Well, she doesn't have to get home anymore.
No, but wouldn't she love that?
She has to make sure. She has to make sure second gets home or first. High ball. Right, so all the runners at the moment are all out having a chat with each other. No hit, no run scenario. They have lives. They have lives.
Absolutely,
they can't be silly on the bases.
No,
they've made their mistakes. Okay. It's just a prime example what you see in this game. The no hit, no run. You look at the logic. If it has to go outfield if you're going to run here.
Oh, totally, yeah.
If you don't hit it in there and the chances of you running, you're going to expose at least someone else on a base runner. You're looking at 2 outs.
Oh yeah. So now we have Jessie, left-handed batter. Now she can hit big. What
a position to have a left-handed batter.
Yes.
That's great timing. Now I would have nicked that run. As a third baser, I would have ran. If they ran, you would have had the draw.
Yeah.
Second base could have still stayed, but you had the draw. Yes. You had it done. Then you worry about the next part of the game.
Yeah. Well, that's thinking ahead, I suppose, again. Yeah. It's a senior player thing,
that was the draw and run. You get that part settled. You get that out of the way.
Yeah.
If we're looking at a back catch here now, it's 2 out, and you still haven't got your draw run behind. You would have. You take that run in all day. Oh, I've been corrected.
Oh, here we go.
Here's the winning run coming in now.
Yeah.
What a time to have a left-handed batter. I have to apologise to that left-handed batter. She was patient.
Absolutely.
We have a very happy man from Galway in the background jumping around.
Absolutely. Well, he's called it now, so it's over. So.
This one.
Oh yeah, the impartial interviewer over there.
The cameraman, the sonar, he's jumping around. You can tell he's from Galway.
Oh, that was some game now.
Yeah, excellent.
You couldn't have asked for more.
Excellent example around us, and considering that this is the intermediate standard.
Absolutely.
And we're looking at the senior women next.
Yes.
So again, the game's coming on heaps and bounds. A 3-4 game in an intermediate game.
It's just phenomenal. It was brilliant.
Excellent. And credit to both teams.
And they held their nerve very well.
And credit to Elphin. Elphin done the smart things as well. All around, Elphin was probably better outfield, base-wise, and logic in their brain about the game. But again, listen, I'm gonna plug the third baser. She was brave. She was brave.
Was she your favourite player out there?
I just. Look, you want to see people stand up in finals, and she stood out.
Absolutely.
She was brave. She put herself in a position going, come at me, and she was walking out. A double play she done in the third inning, I think.
Yes.
That stood out. That stood out for them.
Yeah,
as well.
I would nearly think she'd have to get player of the match for that. That was super.
And it did, and it worked out for her. So.
It totally did. Yeah.
Oh, no, look, I tend to look at the field and people's position, not so much the batting, and she stood out for me as well. But you can only be crediting Elphin as well.
Oh, totally. And look, it's very disappointing for them because they were in this position last year as well in the junior women's final, and they lost the game. And now they were promoted anyway, and did so well this year at intermediate for their first year.
I'm used to losing a lot of finals now myself, so I know how they feel.
So Elphin, you can give Eddie a call and he'll tell you how to get over this.
Yeah, I'll tell you how to not win. Oh.
I'm sure Chris would love to hear this. Luckily you won't hear it until after the match. Yeah, I see him over there.
Sorry, Chris.
Yeah, I'm a bit sorry.
I get paid.
The only one you're getting paid.
Aaron Eagles have been paying me the last 20 years. Jokes aside. No, congratulations to both teams.
Absolutely, it was a fantastic final.
I was saying, it's an amazing example for the intermediate final. So credit to both teams and where they're coming from.
It's fantastic.
So do both get promoted now? Only Galway gets promoted, am I right?
Galway will definitely be promoted, yes, and then depending on what the CCC decide and numbers and everything else, we'll see what happens. But
we're looking at Galway's hitting and how they can play outfield. They're not going to be shy in the seniors either.
No.
Yeah, they're going to.
And even how well their men did this year.
The Galway Rapparees men's team came in and they came in like a barnstorm.
Absolutely.
We played them in the first game and
I umpired it.
You did, yeah. I was knackered after. I had a nice bath.
Yeah, there was a lot of jumping and in the air, somersaulty catches and stuff.
That was Kilmeen. That was that game.
No, I wasn't at that.
I couldn't get to the Galway catches.
Oh, yeah.
But they're batting prowess. They're amazing with the bat.
Absolutely.
And they're no nonsense. And look, you can see some of the hits from the girls there. Like the softball background really comes into effect in the game as well. And it's great to rely on a couple of big batters from softball coming in going, I'll get you your 2 runs, because they did, and you've seen it again today.
That's it. Right, we better go and present a few medals and stuff like that, and I better let you go and warm up. Thank you so much, Eddie. It was an absolute pleasure. You were brilliant.
No problem.
Catch you next time.
Yeah.
Well done, guys. They're going to come over and see my dude.
Well done. It's the fucking J show today.
Yeah, it is, right?
Oh, super. What a hard stack of a game.
Jesus Christ.
There's no dog in the fight in the end.
I take two teams that you probably know the best out of anybody. And it's like, Jesus Christ. You're hoping for a good game, you got a good one.
Excellent flag waving. Stress of a thousand like that. Where's the car? Woo! I said, I was like, let's look at the bus if you want, because then he was like, oh, so I pulled my feet tight. Everybody would we were going up regardless.
Senior honors, baby.
Oh, fuck. Yeah. Yes, you nailed it.
Oh my God.
On their side. You did mispronounce well, but in general, I would say it's superb. Well, that would be fun. You read very well. First two innings are like they're so much better team.
Okay, we'll go vote team 7 to the front of the presentations, please. Okay, we get both teams down, please. Can we get Elphin down for the presentation as well, please?
Come forward to Red Goffin at Pawn Shop, na hymna hori, na bonastori, na chiley na corja, August na look pocket at Pawn Shop anu. Come forward to Red Frank, na Ina specialta, August na hoop thrown ella at all in the pocket shop. The hula gum go on favorite pattern of us on all. Good afternoon, everybody. As president of GAA Rounders, it is my great pleasure to welcome you to our second championship presentation of the day. Throughout today, we are celebrating the very best of our women's game. And this intermediate All-Ireland final has been another wonderful showcase of what makes GAA Rounders such a great sport. Today's intermediate contest between Elphin GAA and Galway Rapparees has brought together two outstanding clubs in an all-connacht final that has reflected great credit on both teams, their counties and their communities. The Intermediate Championship is a competition that represents ambition. It is where players and teams push themselves to the next level to challenge themselves against some of the very best and strive to achieve something special. And the quality of rounders that we have witnessed here today is proof of how strong and vibrant our game continues to be. So today's finalists have done more than just compete for an All-Ireland title. They have represented their clubs with pride, they have inspired others through their efforts, and they have shown exactly what can be achieved when people work together towards a common goal. And I think that is something worth celebrating. And I think we can all agree that that game that we just witnessed has been a tremendous advertisement for our game. Both teams have displayed exceptional skill, determination and sportsmanship, producing a contest worthy of the occasion, and one that all in-rounders, not just Connacht rounders, can be very proud of. To our runners-up, Elphin, sincere congratulations on reaching today's final, and again, while the result may not have gone your way, nobody can take away what you achieved this season. Having been promoted to intermediate rounders, I think it's a testament to your spirit and your determination, having made it in season 1 of intermediate to an All-Ireland final. So I think that deserves a round of applause. So I would like to call on the 2 captains of Elphin, Georgina McDermott and Avril Coyne, to come and get their medals and present their medals to their teammates. Super picture on you. First base, Michelle Dockery. Third base, Greta Davis. Right outfielder in O'Connor. Centre outfield, Pauline Brady Tandy. Left outfield, Kirsten Cronin. With Alex, I'm going to go who I see first. Alex. Chloe. Jackie. Shelley. Marie. Mary T. Lorraine Byrne.
Okay, good.
And Barbara. And bring Katie. Katie, who's in France and Lourdes, saying a few prayers for us.
I'll shake hands on behalf of her. Send her in here.
Okay, go to wide.
And to our intermediate All-Ireland champions, Galway City Rapparees. Today's victory is a culmination of months of hard work, dedication, every training session, every challenge ever overcome, and every contribution made by players, coaches, volunteers, and supporters has played its part in bringing you to this moment. You have earned the right to be called the Intermediate All-Ireland Champions, and I hope you enjoy every second of this. A few thank yous, if you allow me, to take this opportunity to thank our match referee and his umpires, to our match referee Darrell Dolan, his officials, their professionalism and commitment, to all our volunteers and organisers today for their hard work behind the scenes, and for you, your supporters, your families and friends whose encouragement and dedication continue to strengthen GAA Rounders as an association. So I'm going to call on Darrell for a presentation for being today's match referee.
Mine. I'll face that way, it's better.
match. We'll give him 2 seconds.
Okay, folks, great game. Look, I'll not keep this here because you don't want to listen to me. I don't want to listen to me. So, player of the match is someone I thought controlled it all, looked like a leader in their position. Maybe the stat sheet doesn't have them having the most, but Trini Carty.
Okay, so we'll start with the backstop, so circle out.
Thank you. Congratulations, it's brilliant.
First base, mBan.
Congratulations, well done. Thank you.
Right field, Idirmheánach.
Come on, legs. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Or pitcher, Katie. Center field, Alex Stewart.
Thanks so much. Thank you.
Shortstop, Ben O'Brien. Left field, Hazel. Our player of the match, Pat Harvey. On to our amazing finisher, Jesse. Laura Sal. Kira Walsh.
The most running that
So finally, it gives me great pleasure to present the Intermediate Women's All-Ireland Trophy to the captain of our winning team, Galway City Rapparees.
Oh!